Hi, hello my friends, what is up? If you're new to this channel, my name is Keeley. I created this channel to share my financial journey and to be accountable for my financial decisions. So in this video, I'll be going through what I've been up to and my portfolio updates for Q1 2023. Now, as I mentioned in my previous portfolio update video, I've unfortunately lost my backup in my previous computer, so I'm unable to populate the Q4 2022 results. Right now, I've revamped the whole sheet and has consolidated my portfolios into three main categories: stock, crypto, and Forex. So for stocks, I'm still heavily invested into Palantir, but I have yet to deploy my war chest. Why? I'm still holding on to cash until I see the results getting better. And despite having the first profitable quarter in Q4 2022, the revenue growth is not increasing as fast as what was guided 2 years ago, with an average of 30% year-over-year increase. For crypto, I have not invested anything since early last year. I'm still staking Kick DeFi and Kick tokens in their respective platforms. Now, with Bitcoin up nearly 70% year to date, altcoins and small coins also follow suit, resulting in such a big increase in return. And lastly, I've started my Forex public portfolios. You can find the results in Myfxbook over here and on eToro. I started them in late Feb or early March this year, and I'm intending to keep them public for future marketing purposes. Now, at the same time, I've also created a new website for all trading related. I'll link all this in the description box below. Till now, I'm still passing a number of prop firm challenges, but I'm kind of stuck at some of the phase 2 challenges. And to date, I've only failed 2 challenges so far. And overall for Q1 2023, my portfolio has beaten the Dow Jones, SPX, and QQQ this quarter, with my net worth growing 23%. Cash on hand has also increased significantly, and I'll be looking into decreasing the amount of cash on hand and deploying more of them into Forex. Alright, so that is all for my portfolio updates. I post videos on personal finance and updates on my personal portfolio every month. If you like such content, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Be consistent and follow your path. I'll see you in the next video.